up guys, this is me Ayat Anjum और ये vlog होने वाला है kind of boring. I'm just kidding. My videos are arranged boring guys. ये होता है जब आप खुद के क्या कहते खुद के चैनल की बेइज्जती करें और उसके बाद आप खुद की ही साइड ले लाइक that's me को. तो हम वीडियो स्टार्ट करेंगे कुछ ड्रामेटिक चीज़ के साथ. ये मैंने सोचा था और मैंने किया भी guys. So the thing starts from now that today I'm gonna make a book review like always, and this video is gonna be my favorite because I love that book, and that book is called A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. Yeah, calm down guys. सांस लो जरा, सांस लो. टेंशन निकाल नहीं है कि मैं नहीं करांगी तो मर्डर या तुम मेरा ना करना. सांस लो like this. Now I'm being too dramatic like. ये पीछे कौन है गाइस? ये ना ये देख रही हैं आप, एक लौती ये ऐसे जो देख रही बच्ची की आपको in the eyes, that is me. Like this is my friend and this is also my friend. These are my two teachers. Yeah. So let's get back to the video. So ये बात स्टार्ट होती है जब I was reading my book and I ended that book and I was like, I need to make a review and tell you about the little summary guys. Yeah, आप लोग सोचोगे आ गई इतने दिनों के बाद ना भी. Guys, I need time to like think about the content. Yeah guys. And I finally found a content. I was sitting here and something dropped on me and that's kind of scary guys, but never mind. If you want to read this book and you don't know what book it is, you're gonna see a book right now. So now the thing starts from a girl named Andy and her murder mystery. So basically she got murdered and her boyfriend named Sal Singh got murdered too. And the thing starts from that murder mystery is really interesting. So the thing was that when she got murdered, after like the case was kind of famous in that town where she lived, but slowly the case like got more famous. But then one day the case gets closed, and then after 5 years a student named Pippa enters the school. अपनी entry मारती है और one day when like she got asked for a project और projects बनने थे, and she chose a case to like option थी कि आपने इस केस को लेना है, इस केस को लेना है, and he chose a case to make a project. Like her project was to kind of find about the murder mystery, and वो करती है, वो उस केस को चूज़ करती है, एंडी के केस को चूज़ करती है कि उसके केस में ऐसा क्या हुआ था जो 5 years पहले सॉल्व नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन हो पाया. And she does that like I got and she does that. The thing starts from when she decides to expose the real story, and then Pippa starts to like search about the thing that happened 5 years ago, like where was she, what she did, like where she died, where her body was found, and what happened. So yeah, the thing was kind of confusing at first for her, but क्या होता है, Pippa ने decide करती है that she'll like fight it and get the justice. And she thought like Andy was innocent, but she was convinced कि साल सिंह जो है वो innocent है, भाई victim तो वही है, and turns out right. So the thing starts when she decides that she'll team up with Sal's brother named Ravi. उन दोनों की टीम अप हो जाती है and they try to solve like the case together. एंड विथ रवि इट वॉज काइंड ऑफ ईजी कि क्या होता है, जो रवि है उसका भाई है और वो बता सकता था कि ऐसे ऐसे हिंट्स हमें मिल रहे थे शुरू में, और क्या हमें लगा कि ये रिलेट कर सकता है कि इसमें तो कुछ हिंट है इस बात का कि इस केस से रिलेटेड कोई तो चीज़ के डॉट्स। एंड दे स्टार्टेड टू सर्च अबाउट थिंग दैट हैपेंड, और जैसे वो सर्च करती गई द थिंग दैट शी फाउंड वाज दैट Andy wasn't the victim as she was showed in her own case, and the victim was Sal. How? That Andy wasn't the innocent one. She was called like बहुत शरीफ है, ऐसे she wasn't. She was involved in drug dealing, secret affairs, and many more thingies that I don't want to talk about here. And I didn't I didn't knew this was gonna come when I was reading, and I got really shocked. Turns out that she was doing all that stuff, and that was kind of disgusting as she was showed. Like भाई ये तो बड़ी innocent होगी, इसका खुद का केस है, इसको हम सॉल्व करने से दिलाना नहीं भाई, it isn't always like that. ये मेरा था, मैं अपने दिमाग से लड़ रही थी, दिल और दिमाग से लड़ने की बात है होता है। So the thing that got me more shocked that her death wasn't done by her boyfriend Saul से। मेरा बालू खत्म होने वाला है तो पीछे आ जाते हैं। So that thing was kind of interesting to know, but the thing starts from when Peppa discovers that she wasn't murdered. It was an accident. How? One day or one night, I don't remember. It's been a while since I read, but I have the short summary about it that I remember. So yeah. तो होता क्या है जो पिप्पा होती है वो डिस्कवर करती है कि एंडी was like having a fight with her sister named Becca, और जो Becca होती है वो एक्सीडेंटली बातों बातों में she like gets not Becca, I mean Andy was yeah, never mind, I'm not gonna say the word again, I'm kind of and Becca, like it was Becca's fault, but it wasn't like हाँ भाई तुमने मार के तुम, she didn't, it was a mistake that was done by accident, that's called a mistake guys. Thing that was kind of more shocking for me that Peppa क्या करती है, क्या कहते हैं, जब वो डिस्कवर करती है she was kind of shocked like me, but जब एंडी का पता चलता है कि एंडी wasn't murdered by her boyfriend, but the way she was like murdered was an accident जो उसकी बहन ने किया था, और वो भी ये नहीं कि भाई इसने सच में मर्डर कर दिया, it was a mistake as I said. So जब ये होता है like Peppa tries her best to expose that, and the girl Becca, remembered Becca did something really bad. She told her teacher Mr. Ward, और जो Mr. Ward थे he was kind of involved with Andy, but and if you are thinking like involved guys, a bad way to be involved with someone, especially a male guys. Yeah, so the thing that was that like Mr. Ward जाते हैं और मर्डर कर देते हैं उसके बॉयफ्रेंड, innocent INNOCENT, yeah, if I don't know, I'm just letting it out, so if the spelling is wrong, don't mind guys. Yeah, never mind, let's move on. So he murders her boyfriend, who was depressed to know her girlfriend is dead, even though her girlfriend died while having affairs, drug dealing, and more nasty stuff. Yeah, I'm being an Indian drama serial vibe. What the hell was that filter? मुझे बता रहे हैं कि आप गई हैं खिज में, गए हैं आपने फ्यू करके आ गए उसके बॉयफ्रेंड को, भैया आपको पागल है, आपका दिमाग कहाँ है? सातवें आसमान पे? आप तो खुश होंगे ना, है ना? But you've been exposed, Mr. Ward and Becca, even though it wasn't Becca's fault, but still Becca. So she gets her project done. Becca कर लेती है project done. And project तो उसका था कि भाई उसने केस सॉल्व करना है, मगर उसने 5-year-old a big mystery named like Andy's like case that was like wasn't have been solved 5 years ago has been solved after 5 years so easily. And like yeah, she made a lot of efforts, struggles, and she was through it all, but she found the answer, and now she is a famous girly for like giving the person who died a justice. And yeah, that book makes me so happy, like everyone on the book talk was like, oh भाई इतनी कच्ची बुक होगी, भाई इतनी बुरी बुक होगी, भाई I saw a girl giving a review like he like भाई तेरी क्या भाई बुक पढ़ो फिर बोलो, और जो बुक पढ़ के भी बोलो तो मुझे इन पे और खींचती like what do you mean? भाई आपकी ओपिनियन आपने पास रखी, आपको पता है जब लोग ऑफेंड होंगे फिर आप एंड पे बोल देंगे डोंट माइंड. लाइक व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डोंट माइंड? आई माइंड. लाइक इसके कमेंट में, टिकटॉक के कमेंट में कर, इंस्टाग्राम के कमेंट में भाड़ में जाओ बहन, तुम गलत हो बहन, भाड़ में जाओ. एंड शी वाज इन भाड़ आफ्टर लॉट्स गाइस, शी वाज. So जस्टिस भी मिल गया, इंसाफ हो गया. लाइक the victim wasn't the victim, and the one who wasn't called a victim turns out to be the victim, and yeah, victim thingy. Guys, I loved it. I love that book. So मैं उस बुक को दूंगी 10 out of 10. और मुझे लगता है इस फोटो को ना मेरे से ज़्यादा स्क्रीन टाइम मिल चुका है इस वीडियो में, तो मैं जा रही हूँ. बाय गाइस, लव यू. सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक कर दें, शेयर कर दें, और आगे आपने जो करना है वो कर दें. और जिसको मेरी वीडियो नहीं अच्छी लगी ना, जस्ट फ्रीकिंग लॉस्ट भाई. I love you guys.